Jasmy is struggling right now, and I want to talk about it. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'm back with another one. I'm usually bullish on Jasmy from a utility and a use case standpoint, and I want to make that clear that that has not changed. But it's a few things short term that I am bearish on about the Jasmy token. So if you like these videos about Jasmy, make sure you like, subscribe, spread the awareness so everybody can have an understanding of the positivity in the crypto market. And let me know in the comment, how do you feel about the Jasmy token right now, today? Are you bearish? Are you on the sidelines? Or are you bullish? I love to know everybody's opinions in the comments. Now, you can see here Jasmy is sitting at 203, right? A third of a penny at a $149 million market cap. But even in the midst of a altcoin rally, and even though it was short lived because we know what happened with the fake Bitcoin spot ETF, we haven't really seen Jasmy shine in a while. And I want to say this, family. I'm not a big fan of the way that the Jasmy team went about the Jasmy ambassadors. I think them hand picking these ambassadors kind of like took away from some of the hype we seen from Jasmy. Before the ambassadors, a lot of people were coming to the YouTubers for information. You know what I'm saying? We've seen a lot of hype and community rallying behind Jasmy. But I don't know, maybe it's just me. Y'all let me know in the comments. Since the Jasmy ambassadors, right? It seems like Jasmy has lost that you know what I'm saying? That thing that made it hype, right? That community aspect of this token, because we know that there was a utility and use case, of course, with data being the new oil, the multiple partnerships, the bullish teams, but the community is really what allowed Jasmy to shine because everybody was coming together as one. But ever since the Jasmy ambassadors, we've seen influencers kind of like, move away from Jasmy. We've seen a lot of the normal energy that we would get as influencers kind of go towards the ambassadors. And the thing about that is when they go to that to the ambassadors with the knowledge, I love that the knowledge that the ambassadors are putting out there. But family, a lot of people a lot of people don't really a lot of people don't really understand the a lot of that stuff from a technical standpoint. I mean, you should do your research, but sometimes it goes over a lot of people heads. And I think us crypto guys, crypto YouTube guys, I mean, we can explain, what's going on with Jasmine, the utility and the use case in a way where people can comprehend and kind of like, you know what I'm saying, understand. And that's not taking away anything from the Jasmine ambassadors. I love what they're working to do, but I see their posts, and their posts are a little bit more on the tech side, and it kind of takes the fun out of Jasmine Coin. I don't know, maybe it's just me. I love it, but again, I've been seeing the social engagement really, really, really tank with the Jasmine token. Another thing that's concerning to me, I want to point this out again. If you were able to get into Jasmine before the token unlock here, beautiful, right? Beautiful. Before the token unlock, I'm not beautiful. Should I say not beautiful, not good for you. But if you were able to get in after the token unlock, well, like myself, that's beautiful because you're coming in at those floor levels. Sitting here at 56,000. I think Jasmine, is at a good point as far as holders stuff. Like I said, this was growing exponent. It was growing fast. It was growing fast. The holder count was growing fast, but now it seemed to have slowed up. And I don't know. Again, I don't know if it's the AMAs, maybe it's the YouTubers that's maybe stopped talking about it. I'm not sure, but I would want to see that growth that we were getting with the Jasmine token continue. Now, usually when a lot of people is bearish, these cryptos do the opposite. And I want to believe that with the Jasmy token. But the thing that is concerning is the fact that Binance, right? Binance is the top three holders. They have two wallets in the top three, right? They have two wallets in the top three. Yet they're building a decentralized data storage, right? Similar to Filecoin, and it's called BNB Greenfield. And this is another thing that I think is taking away some of the steam from Jasmy. And I'm going to show you guys. So make sure you stick to the video to the end. Now, I don't have a problem with BNB, they're rolling out their own project, but it's kind of weird that they are the top holder of Jasmy, yet they're rolling out a very, very similar project. I don't know. In my opinion, that's weird. But taking a look at the Binance holders, you can see Binance 8, Binance 28. I would recommend you guys to go check out my video I did on the Binance wallets. And we talked about the Elon token, which on the flip side, we see Binance accumulating Elon tokens. So we know that Binance likes to accumulate tokens. But in this case, right, which is extremely eye-popping here, is that for the last 6 months, Binance has been slowly selling off Jasmy token. And this is just one wallet. You can see here that Binance continues to allegedly manipulate and suppress look at this. This is like blatant manipulation and suppression of the price. Every time we rise up, they pump it up and then they sell off the tokens. We rise, they pump it up and then they sell off the tokens in the midst of rolling out their own data protocol called BNB Greenfield. So at this point, as an investor, I would prefer if Binance can just moves out the way. Just just sell your tokens at this point. Like, you know what I mean? Just move all of this. Like, there's no point in Binance is suppressing the Jasmy price. That's my synopsis of what I'm seeing, right? Binance is the problem here. Because when I go through other tokens and on the blockchain, right? Blockchain trust, I see Binance accumulating tokens. But with Jasmy, Binance in not just one wallet, but both of the top 3 wallets are consistently selling off their Jasmy. So you don't want to see the top, top wallets, right? Top 2 of the top wallets in the top 3 consistently selling. Well, what will that do, family? That suppresses the Jasmy price. And you can see here, look at the suppression. Every time we pop, we get rugged. Every time we pop, we get rugged. Every time we pop, they sell off. And I don't know. It's concerning. And it's been happening, as you can see, the last month we're down 12%. There's altcoins that's doing very well right now. Jasmy is in a tough spot, family. It's in my buy zone. So when I get a little extra liquidity coming in, I will look to take advantage of the dip, possibly. As I look at the charts, maybe we hit this overbought section on the stock RSI and we go back down, and I take that as an opportunity that we could possibly touch somewhere between 202. And I think 202 will be a great buying point. But I don't want to lead anybody on saying 202 will be a great buying point, because this downtrend is very strong. But there is some light at the end of the tunnel that I'm seeing. You can see here that the 50-day moving average, and I'm noticing this about a lot of altcoins, family, the 50-day average is curling on up as the 200-day average comes on down, which is a potential golden cross. So maybe we finally, go through this path here, right here, finally tap support at 2026. By that time, hopefully we can get somewhere close to the golden cross here, and then maybe Jasmy finally breaks to the upside. So that could happen. I could see that happening. I could see us continuing this downtrend to support here at 2026 and then breaking to the upside. But Binance is in the way. They're not helping anything right now. Binance is not helping anything, and in my opinion, Binance is suppressing the Jasmy price. Y'all let me know what y'all think about Jasmy, how it's been performing for the last month or so. I would love to know everybody's opinions on Jasmy. Want to make this clear. This is not a bearish video on Jasmy. This is not a FUD video. This is simply me looking at the blockchain, seeing a few things that's concerning, and wondering how they can finally change this and we can finally start to move back up. Because at this point, based on even what I'm seeing in the comments, a lot of people are ready for Jasmy to put in a reversal, right? We've been going down for a while now. It's about that time, or we must be getting close to putting in a reversal. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.